Tired of that nightly makeup removal routine that takes up your valuable time? And do you think you're getting it all? Well, think again. Introducing the One-Step Wonder Cloth by Thin Lizzy, the reusable magical makeup remover cloth that not only removes all your makeup fast, it also deep cleans your pores and delivers a spa-like microdermabrasion treatment. The secret is the specially designed loop-shaped fibres that reach deep down into the pores, and because they are positive charged and dirt particles are negative charged, the loops act like a powerful magnet, lifting dirt and makeup for not just a surface cleaning, but a deep cleaning for a smoother, fresher and more flawless skin. This incredible breakthrough acts as a microdermabrasion, removing dull and dead skin cells and repairing imperfections, then stimulating the production of a new layer of skin. This is a natural way to nourish, repair and rejuvenate your skin while reducing sagging. This simple demonstration says it all. This orange represents your skin. With makeup wipes, it may look like it's taking the makeup off, but watch what happens when we zoom in closer. The makeup stays in the pores, clogging them. This can lead to breakouts and pimples, but watch as the One-Step Wonder Cloth, using just warm water, removes all makeup just like a magnet. Plus, it's reusable up to 200 cleanings, so when you're done, just chuck it in the washing machine and you're ready for next time. Think of all the money you'll save on other makeup removal products.